Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2025 Polaris Ranger Crew 1000. Ranger Crew 1000, single overhead cam. It's not the XP 1000, but it's 2025. This is used. Customer bought it, didn't like the ride they got, so they went to actually a General. But really nice machine, just 389 miles, so they rode it a little bit, threw some accessories on there, and didn't like it. That's why tires look new. That's why the machine looks, in really good condition. You can see they put the Super ATV half doors on there, so you've got a nice steel door on there. Nice easy opening to get in and out for you and the passengers, but also keeps you safe other than the nets that normally come with them. Polaris poly windshield. We've got a full light bar on there. You can see that's nice. It will be nice and bright when it's dark out. Polaris 4,500 pound synthetic rope winch. Roof on there. Like I said, you got the doors. Rear view mirror, nice big rear view mirror so you can see what's coming behind you or what's in the back. And then a poly rear panel on the back. Not very much wear and tear on it. Some stuff in the bed because if you go out riding, you take a cooler, you may take a can of gas or something like that. You've got the ability to throw that stuff in there. So if you're looking for a great used side-by-side, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.